is my little brother George. This is Mummy Pig. And this is Daddy Pig. Peppa Pig. Monkey has a cough.
It is a lovely sunny day at Peppa's house.
I'm a tiny little fairy.
What a noisy little fairy.
Mummy, I'm going to magic you into a frog.
Oh dear, please don't. If you turn me into a frog, I'll have to live in a pond on my own and I will be so sad.
Don't worry, Mummy. It's just pretend.
I know, Peppa. I'm pretending too. That's why I winked.
What?
When someone closes one eye, it is a wink, and it means that they are pretending.
So, you were pretending to be sad?
Yes, it was a joke.
Ah, so you were trying to make a joke. It wasn't a very funny joke.
Thank you, Peppa.
Zoe Zebra has come to play with Peppa.
Hello, Zoe. Hello, Peppa.
Zoe has her toy monkey.
Monkey says, ooh, ooh, ooh. Let's play in my bedroom. Ooh, 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 ooh. How are you today, Monkey? Oh, dear. Monkey has a bad cough. That's not Monkey coughing. That's you. No, Monkey has a bad cough. Why are you closing and opening your eyes? I am closing one eye because I'm winking. Why? You wink to tell people it's pretend. And Monkey has a cough. Oh, it's a game.
Here is George.
So, Dr. George, Monkey has a bad cough. Dr. George, what cure do you suggest for the cough? It's just pretend, George. That's why we are winking. Betty Buzz! Good advice, Dr. George. Monkey must go to bed and not watch any TV. No fun for Monkey until he is better. Thank you, Dr. George.
Daddy Pig has arrived home from work.
I'm home.
Hello, Daddy Pig.
Daddy! Monkey had a cough. Dr. George told us to put Monkey to bed with no TV. And now Monkey is better.
Is there something wrong with your eyes?
No, Daddy. We are winking.
Oh?
It's just pretend.
Oh, I see. That is clever. And you learnt how to wink today, did you?
Yes.
Well, I learnt something new today too. I learnt how to talk like a pirate. Ha-ha! Jim lad, shiver me timbers. Arr!
Why did you learn to talk like a pirate?
Well, you see, I've given up my old job and I've got a new job as a pirate.
Daddy Pig, shouldn't we have discussed this first?
Daddy is just joking, Mummy.
Shiver me timbers.
Oh, poor Daddy Pig.
Oh, it's nothing. Oh, I probably shouldn't have done that pirate voice.
Are you pretending, Daddy?
No, Peppa. I think this is a real cough.
Betty Buzz! Yes, Dr. George says straight to bed. And no TV for 10 years.
Oh, dear. That doesn't sound fun.
I know a nicer way to cure a cough.
Oh?
You have to wiggle your ears, jump up and down, and quack like a duck. Quack, 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 quack.
What?
You winked, Mummy.
Oh, you're just joking.
Mummy Pig loves joking. Everyone loves joking.
Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig.